Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. We've got an exciting video for all you foodies and kitchen enthusiasts out there. We're going to dive into the world of air fryers and unveil the best ones you can get in 2024. Whether you're looking to enjoy guilt-free fried goodies or simply want to up your cooking game, we've got you covered. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, number 5, the SmartFox 5.8-liter electric air fryer without oil home appliance for French fries. Healthy fried chicken deep fryer convection oven is a kitchen appliance that allows you to cook food without using oil. It uses hot air to circulate around the food, cooking it evenly and quickly. The air fryer is a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods, as it reduces the amount of fat and calories in your food. The SmartFox air fryer has a 5.8-liter capacity, which is enough to cook food for up to 6 people. It has a digital display and touch controls, making it easy to use. The air fryer also comes with a variety of cooking presets for different types of food, such as French fries, chicken nuggets, and fish. Here are some of the benefits of using the SmartFox air fryer. It is a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. It is easy to use and clean. It is versatile and can be used to cook a variety of foods. It is affordable and energy efficient. If you are looking for a healthy and convenient way to cook food, the SmartFox air fryer is a great option. Here are some tips for using the SmartFox air fryer. Preheat the air fryer before cooking. This will help the food cook evenly and quickly. Cut the food into even pieces to ensure even cooking. Do not overcrowd the air fryer basket. This will prevent the food from cooking evenly. Shake or toss the food halfway through cooking to ensure even browning. Check the food for doneness before removing it from the air fryer. The SmartFox air fryer is a great kitchen appliance for anyone who wants to cook healthier meals. It is easy to use. Number 4, the 2023 large capacity 10L air fryer household intelligent LCD chips machine automatic electric fryer. Electric oven air fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that can be used to air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and reheat food. It has a large capacity of 10 liters, making it ideal for cooking for large families or groups. The air fryer features an intelligent LCD screen that makes it easy to control the cooking temperature and time. It also has a variety of preset cooking programs for different types of food. The air fryer is also equipped with a number of safety features, such as a cool touch handle and automatic shut-off. Here are some of the benefits of using the 2023 large capacity 10L air fryer household intelligent LCD chips machine automatic electric fryer. Electric oven air fryer. It is a healthier way to cook food, as it uses less oil than traditional frying methods. It is a more versatile kitchen appliance than a traditional deep fryer, as it can be used to cook a variety of foods. It is easy to use and clean. It is safe to use. Here are some of the things that you can cook in the 2023 large capacity 10L air fryer household intelligent LCD chips machine automatic electric fryer. Electric oven air fryer. Chicken wings, French fries, pizza, vegetables, fish, meat, desserts. Overall, the 2023 large capacity 10L air fryer household intelligent LCD chips machine automatic electric fryer. Electric oven air fryer is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance. Number 3, the Shenhua Smart Air Fryer 10L large capacity household multifunctional smart oil-free smokeless electric oven air fryers 220V is a large capacity air fryer that can cook a variety of foods, including chicken, fish, vegetables, and snacks. It has a digital display and touch screen controls, and it comes with a variety of pre-programmed cooking settings. The air fryer also has a safety auto-off function, and it is easy to clean. Here are some of the key features of the Shenhua Smart Air Fryer 10L. Large capacity. The 10L capacity is large enough to cook food for a family of 4 to 5 people. Multifunctional. The air fryer can cook a variety of foods, including chicken, fish, vegetables, and snacks. Smart features. The air fryer has a digital display and touch screen controls, and it comes with a variety of pre-programmed cooking settings. Safety features. The air fryer has a safety auto-off function. Easy to clean. The air fryer is easy to clean with a non-stick coating and removable parts. Overall, the Shenhua Smart Air Fryer 10L is a well-rounded air fryer with a variety of features that make it easy to use and clean. It is a good choice for families or individuals who cook a variety of foods and want a healthier cooking option. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Shenhua Smart Air Fryer 10L. Pros: large capacity, multifunctional, smart features, safety features, easy to clean. Cons: some users have reported that the air fryer can be noisy. The air fryer is not dishwasher safe. Overall, the Shenhua Smart Air Fryer 10L is a good choice for families or Number 2. The original Xiaomi Mijia Intelligent Air Fryer 4L is a versatile kitchen appliance that can be used to air fry, bake, roast, and defrost food. It has a capacity of 4 liters, which is enough to cook a meal for 2 to 3 people. The air fryer uses hot air to cook food, which means that you can use less oil or no oil at all. This makes it a healthier alternative to traditional deep frying. The air fryer has a built-in fan that circulates hot air around the food, ensuring that it is cooked evenly on all sides. It also has a temperature range of 40 to 200 degrees Celsius, so you can cook a wide variety of foods. The air fryer is smart-enabled, which means that you can control it using the Mijia app. This allows you to set the temperature, timer, and cooking mode from your phone. You can also use the app to browse recipes and get cooking tips. Here are some of the benefits of using the original Xiaomi Mijia Intelligent Air Fryer 4L. Healthier cooking. The air fryer uses less oil or no oil at all to cook food, making it a healthier alternative to traditional deep frying. Versatile. The air fryer can be used to air fry, bake, roast, and defrost food. Convenient. The air fryer is smart-enabled, so you can control it using the Mijia app. Easy to clean. The air fryer has a non-stick coating, which makes it easy to clean. Overall, the original Xiaomi. Number 1. The 8L Large Capacity Smart Electronic Digital Deep Fryers Without Oil 1700W Multifunction with Touchscreen Household Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that can be used to cook a variety of foods, including chicken, fish, vegetables, and even baked goods. It uses hot air to circulate around the food, cooking it evenly and quickly without the need for oil. This makes it a healthier and more convenient alternative to traditional frying methods. The air fryer has a large capacity of 8 liters, making it ideal for cooking for families or groups. It also has a variety of features that make it easy to use, including a touchscreen display, pre-programmed settings, and a timer. Here are some of the benefits of using the 8L Large Capacity Smart Electronic Digital Deep Fryers Without Oil 1700W Multifunction with Touchscreen Household Air Fryer. Healthier cooking. Air frying uses less oil than traditional frying methods, which makes it a healthier way to cook food. Convenience. Air fryers are easy to use and clean. Simply place the food in the basket, set the timer, and let the air fryer do the work. Versatility. Air fryers can be used to cook a variety of foods, including chicken, fish, vegetables, and even baked goods. If you are looking for a healthy and convenient way to cook food, the 8L Large Capacity Smart Electronic Digital Deep Fryers Without Oil 1700W Multifunction with Touchscreen Household Air Fryer is a great option. Here are some tips for using the 8L Large Capacity Smart Electronic Digital Deep Fryers Without Oil 1700W Multifunction with Touchscreen Household Air Fryer. Preheat the air fryer for 5 to 10 minutes before cooking. This will help the food cook evenly. Cut the food into evenly sized pieces. This will help it cook evenly. Do not overcrowd the air fryer basket. This will prevent the food from cooking evenly. Shake or flip.